Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, like I have right here, but none of the network works, or actually internet works on the Lenovo Legion Go. And in this example, let's open a Microsoft Edge, and here if we try to reach any website, there's a problem. To fix this, we'll need to click on the start, move to the settings, enter date and time. Here, enable set time automatically, and we also need to wait a few moments. You can also click on synchronize now, close the settings and open the browser back on and try to reach the same website. Now, this may appear, but we just need to wait a few moments and try refreshing. Give it even like 5 minutes till all of the time synchronizes, and it should work fine. Let's try restarting the browser as well. And yep, now it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.